Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be looking at the Voltme Revo 140 PD. They did send this out to, for review, so thank you for that. It is a gallium nitride 3.1 power delivery charger, and it's well worth the money, let me tell you that. I've been looking for a good charger for my Samsung devices, and this one right here fits the bill. I'm going to go over the charging specs and the speeds real quick. So we have it's 140 watts max on port A, so USB-C 1 is 140 watt max, USB-C 2 is 100 watt max, so even if you only have one device, I'm just going to kind of list out your plugins here. So this top port right here is going to be 140 watts if there's only one device plugged in. This middle port, if there's only one device plugged in, is going to be 100 watts. And then the USB-A port is going to max out at 22.5 no matter the configuration. And then if you're using two USB-C ports, if you're using both of them, you get 65 watts apiece. If you're using a C and an A, you get 100 watts and 22 on the A. If you're using all three of them, you get 65 on the top one, 45 on the middle, and then 22.5 on the A. So one good thing about this charger is you can charge a laptop and a phone at the same time, no issue. You can charge your laptop, your phone, your earbuds, or your watch at the same time, no issue. Now, if you have a Samsung device, if you plug just the Samsung device into this, if it supports USB or Samsung Fast Charge 2.0, this does work with that. So I was able to super fast charge 2.0 my Tab S8 Ultra and my S23 Ultra, not at the same time, but they both work with it. And then my Fold 4 is super fast charging. It charges in about an hour and 30 minutes, with the other two devices being about an hour for the S23 Ultra and about an hour 10 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes on the Tab S8 Ultra. So very, very good charging times. The Tab S8 Ultra on a regular charger that doesn't do 2.0 was probably around an hour and a half to 2 hours, just depending on whether it was doing like 20 watts or 30 watts, but 45 watts with 2.0 definitely speeds things up. This charger is super compact. It's about the size of a MacBook charger if you're familiar with one of those, and it does have a fold-out prong design, so you can put this in your bag. One cool thing about this, it is about the same cost as a 140 watt MacBook charger, but of course you're getting the 3 ports, so you do get a lot more with this, and it can easily charge your MacBook. I charge my MacBook Pro 14-inch with this, no problems whatsoever. Works very, very well. I was charging at about 90 watts with the USB-C cable that I was using, and that was one of those cables that only supports 100 watts. So seeing 90 on that was excellent. Very well designed charger. It is quite hefty, but not, you know, it feels solid. It's not a bad weight. It feels solid. Definitely one of those travel chargers that you're going to be able to take around and not have any issues with. Like I said, it does retail for about $99. This is the US version right here. It is the Revo 140, and it is a power delivery 3.1 gallium nitride charger from Voltme. Once again, thank you Voltme for sending this out for review. I will be leaving the link to this down in the Amazon description down below, where you can check it out. And as always, I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.